Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. As you can see from the title, I will be working with this lovely wig from Unice hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous auburn colored wig in 24 inches. It's a 13 by 4 lace frontal unit in Waterwave. This is what the pattern looks like. The texture is everything. I'm in love with this color. It's really nice and subtle. If you are not usually a color girl, which is myself, you know, and you want to dip and dabble into color, this is definitely one of the colors you should try. I love this color because it just matches and complements my skin tone really well, and I am so here for it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my glueless install with this wig from Unice hair. So let's get into it.
Stallion, it ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yeah, you stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum. You got the yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, the yummy, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, the yummy, the yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work my way. In the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum. You got the yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, the yummy, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, the yummy, the yummy, yummy.
Okay babes, so this is the final look. This wig is actually from Unice hair. As you can see from the title, they went ahead and sent me this gorgeous auburn wig, and you guys see me install it. This is a Waterwave unit in 24 inches, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. I'm living for the color. Usually I do not do color, you guys know. Every now and then I do a pop of color, and I actually end up really liking this one. It is really nice and fluffy. The hair is really lightweight, it's really soft, and of course it smells good because I use my water and conditioner mixture. I love this hair. I love the whole flip over situation going on. You don't really have to do any parts if you're feeling lazy. This is perfect. And I love the side part action going on, or the side flip over action going on. I'm here for it. If you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. It was easy to pluck, easy to bleach. I did bleach the knots even though I didn't have to. So if you don't need to, or if you don't want to bleach the knots, it's not mandatory, but I did it just to loosen up the knots so plucking would be easier, and so said, so done. The plucking was absolutely a breeze. So yeah, if you want to do color, or you want to try something new, and you are of my skin tone or even lighter, darker, it don't really matter, hop on this because this is cute. It's a very nice subtle color, and it does give you a nice little pop. So definitely do not forget to go ahead and check the links out in the description box below to purchase, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.